Hello students, this is exercise number 5 of the Progressive Monthly Magazine, October 2021, on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. It is obvious that one of the major problems we have to face is unemployment. It is a terrific human problem which we cannot ignore. Merely giving some kind of occupation to a large number of persons does not ultimately increase employment or lessen unemployment. We delude ourselves if we think so. An honorable member of this House remarked outside the House, I believe that a good method of giving employment to a large number of people would be by abolishing the railways. In that event, there will probably be some kind of hand carts. If many people will be pushing them, some, no doubt, will be sitting in them. That would be a completely wrong approach to this problem. Employment comes through newer and more effective means of wealth production. The whole experience of the past 200 years shows that it comes with the growth of technological methods. It is true that technological growth often leads to human misery, but precautions can be taken. Do not imagine that minus technological progress we are going to deal with the problem of unemployment. We cannot. Every country which boasts of full employment today is a country which is technologically advanced. Every country which is not technologically advanced has unemployment or underemployment. Therefore, if India is to advance, India must advance in science and technology, and India must use the latest techniques, always keeping in view, no doubt, that in doing so, the intervening period, which always occurs, must not cause unhappiness or misery. We have to provide for that even at the cost of progress, because that is no progress which brings suffering and misery in its train. Now, we have been planning more or less methodically for the last 7 years or so. As we have tried to plan, we have, if I may say so, with all respect, grown a little more expert in planning. We are getting more educated in this process. We have had the advantage of discussing these matters with many experts in India and elsewhere, realizing that the problems will have to be solved by us, not by the experts. But the experts throw light on different aspects of the problems and make us think, and they point out our mistakes. So gradually, through painful process of thought, we have proceeded along this path of planning. We want to pursue it further.